People ask me all the time, if you repaired thousands of devices, why are you still going to school? Because the day you think you know everything is the day you stop getting better. Today, I'm driving nearly 10 hours from Fargo, North Dakota to Olathe, Kansas to attend Device Pro Solutions Microsoldering School. I'm leaving as a repair technician and hopefully coming back as an even better one. I'm not showing up empty handed either. These are real customer devices that deserve another chance. First up, an Xbox One X that had previous board level work. Time to finally learn exactly what happened to see if we can bring it back. Next, an iPhone 17 that powers on but shuts off after about 3 minutes. The goal? Data recovery. Then there's a MacBook Pro M5. With liquid damage, it pulls current on the power supply but refuses to boot. Hopefully, we can figure out what's keeping it from coming back to life. I've also got an iPhone 13 with almost the exact same symptom, boots for a few minutes, then shuts off. Another important data recovery. And finally, a Samsung S22 that pulls current, never powers on, and an opportunity to learn how to recover someone's memories instead of just replacing the phone. Every one of these devices has a story. Hopefully, by the end of this trip, there'll be a happy ending. 10 hours is a long drive. That's a lot of windshield time to think. I've always considered myself pretty confident in repairs. I've repaired over 10,000 devices. I built computers, fixed phones, MacBooks, game consoles, even drones. But microsoldering is a different level. There's always another skill to learn, another way to save a device that most repair shops would call impossible. I'll be honest, walking into a classroom where there are people who know more than me isn't always comfortable, but it's exactly where growth happens. I'm going with an open mind, not to prove what I already know, but to learn what I don't. Because every new skill means one more customers whose photos, whose memories, whose computer might actually be saved instead of being replaced. This trip isn't about me. It's about bringing advanced board repair back to Fargo, North Dakota. More repairs, more data recoveries, more devices saved. Let's see what happens. Welcome to the next chapter of Worth It Repairs.